Do you like it? I'm surprised she didn't go to the river first. This is our other view. Look at that. Look at that.
Never. Hey, she's straight and gay, that crazy guy.
Are you feeling better? Yeah.
Welcome back to another video, guys. Now we are on the upside of finding dispersed camping.
I think we finally figured it out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So if you guys are new here, welcome. I'm Whitney.
I'm Amanda.
And the dog that you saw running around like a crazy child is Chansey.
Yeah.
Believe it or not, she is 10 years old. She is not 2.
No, she acts like it though.
I know. So we found a spot finally on the river. It took us some digging to find. We are south of Mount Rainier, and we already had a couple of people pass us. I can guarantee you it was definitely a forerunner that wanted to pass us.
Oh, absolutely. Not
Yeah.
5 minutes after we pulled in.
Yeah, so, but we live in our Revel full time. We've had it for 3 years. We've been on the road now 169 days.
I know. Isn't that crazy?
Yep. So we've been living in this thing full time, and today, honestly, it's windy. We're hoping for no rain, but it's absolutely beautiful.
Oh my gosh, this is probably my favorite.
This is the best spot we've ever found dispersed camping.
Yeah.
Hands down.
We'll see if we still think that at the end.
We will. We will. It's not bad at all. It's right on the river. It's just absolutely beautiful. So, but we are just gonna have a relaxing day. So let's see what we end up doing. So it's lunchtime now, and I made some pasta out of a bag with some Alfredo and the ready-made chicken from Trader Joe's. And then Amanda,
I have leftovers. from
yep,
last
she's
night.
gonna eat leftovers that are chicken and dumplings, which we'll have to make on the channel now that we know how to make them.
So good. That looks good too.
Not as good as it is in the pan because it like soaks up more of the pasta sauce, but
It'll do for lunch.
yep.
Yeah.
Because we got an exciting dinner tonight that we're excited about.
Hopefully.
Yeah. But honestly, we just want to sit here and enjoy being on a river finally, which has been like our goal from like day one.
It has been to go camp down by a river.
Yep.
Yep.
And everybody that's here keeps staring at us as they drive by.
I know. This is definitely a favorite spot.
Oh yeah. There's a couple of other good sites around us, like one across the river. It's not on the river, and one above us. But we would have taken any of them. But this hands down is the best spot ever.
I know. Cannot complain at all.
Oh,
I think the weather is going to miss us too.
okay.
Yeah. Looks like it went up north and it's not coming over as much.
Yeah, we're just really cloudy down here, so we're just gonna have to watch a little bit of our power since we just use the microwave a lot. But it should be fine for one night because we're gonna cook on the propane tonight.
Yeah. If the sun comes out, we might pop the solar up for a little bit.
Yeah.
For some extra boost because we're under trees.
We are under a lot of trees, and there a lot of them with the wind have been cracking, and the things have been falling, like the actual branches. But we are in a good spot where I don't see any really what we call widowmakers.
Yeah, we try and be really careful and aware of what's above us, especially with having Starlink mounted on the roof. We want to make sure we have some sort of open view of the sky.
Yeah, because there is absolutely no reception here.
No,
None.
nothing.
None.
Chancey,
Come.
thank you.
Good
She's
girl.
listening so good today.
Yeah, she's been so good on her recalls lately. We're right next to the water, so she just wants to run down there. We don't want her to run down there, but she's doing really well. So, not gonna lie, we took a nap.
We did.
It was great. Now we're gonna fix some food. And it's gonna be a not spectacular dinner. It's gonna be very plain, and I'm really okay with that.
Yeah, fine. Not everything has to be fancy.
Nope, so this is dinner tonight. We have got refried beans. We have got poblano potato tacos from Trader Joe's and some Spanish rice. Voila, dinner. And it's going to be easy to make, and somebody needs to go lay down because they had their zoomies and she went crazy and now she's limpy.
She's a little sore.
Yeah, she's a little sore.
She had a really good nap too.
Yeah, she did, with us. So we're going to make this now, and hopefully it'll not rain because it has been sprinkling on and off.
Yeah, the sun came out though.
Yep, it did. So
Not that you can tell, but
nope, we'll see how it goes.
like I heard something and I wasn't sure what it was. I can get 4 in there.
Okay. Leave it. What are you doing? Rawr. Yeah.
What? What?
It's the Chancey show. Oh, I need a drink of water. I don't know if you guys can tell, but we're trying to clean out our freezer Trader Joe's stuff. Because we don't know yet if we're going to be able to leave the Dometic on when we go to New York or not. So,
Most likely not.
yep.
So we're planning for not.
Yep. So we've got Trader Joe's rice, tacos, and guac salsa. Yep. Let's see how big of a mess we can make.
Always.
And obviously refried beans.
Not Trader Joe's.
Yeah. These are beans that we've had from the house. Huh? Oh, here. Well, you already looked like you out of the corner of my eye. Bink. Oh, dang on it.
That's good.
Yeah, rice is good.
We were both saying the same thing. It's probably the best Spanish rice we've had.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, a little bit crispy too. It's really good.
I like that it's crunchy.
It's one of those things, the ones in the boxes for some reason just don't do as well.
Yeah.
But this guac salsa, this stuff is fire. If you guys have never tried this from Trader Joe's, guac salsa is good.
It is. I like it better than their guacamole.
Because you love my guacamole, that's why.
I know. I don't like anyone's guacamole better than yours.
I know.
Ooh, these are hot.
They're not as good as the taquitos, but they're good.
I do miss the black bean taquitos.
Hopefully we'll be able to pick up some, at least on the way out to eat.
It'd be nice. It's been a long time.
They make for a really good, just quick lunch in the air fryer. They're so good.
Yeah, they really do. We're gonna enjoy this and check in with you guys later. I think we might have got it. We'll see.
Take it. We're in for the night. We did our dishes. We had a really good fire. We've scavenged for some wood and we got some. Again.
It worked out really well.
Yeah, so we had a really good night just by the fire. Relaxed and happy we found the spot. We've got it bookmarked, that's for sure, for the best site ever.
I know. It's so good.
Yeah, there's 3 other sites that are around us. They're not like close. There's one across the river and run up from the entrance of where we're at.
Like across the road.
Yeah. So all 3 of them are really good. And we're excited to have found this place. Now we have a place to come back to, which is really nice. But other than that, thank you guys so much for watching. We really appreciate you, especially if you stayed till the end. Thank you so much. Hope you guys enjoyed, and we will catch you on the next one.